Happy 4th of July. Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. We are doing a 4th of July makeup look, but we're not actually using any makeup. We're using these 97-cent decals that Walmart carries. So let's just kind of show you guys what it looks like. You guys can see you just put it on the face, what bam, put it on the eyes, what bam, done. We don't have to waste all this time actually doing our makeup. So Zumi and I are gonna put these on and show you guys how easy they are. But Miss Karen over here is gonna put it on Zumi's eyes, and then I'm gonna apply this on my own eyes. Okay guys, so it pulls right off the plastic. They are very, very glittery and sticky. This is, Karen's gonna put it on Zumi's face right here. Let's go ahead and start. I don't know how this is supposed to work. Look at my eye. I think this is for people who have little eyes.
It's not even sticking. I think we have too much highlighter.
Well, maybe it's supposed to go lower?
I don't think you're supposed to have any makeup though.
Yeah, I don't think you're supposed to.
I still can't open my eye. Maybe if I make it, if I open it more. Okay, that's cool. I had to open it more. Okay guys, so this is the finalized look. I think Zumi actually looks really, really cool, but they're not really like sticking very well to the skin. So I would suggest like maybe using what?
Add eyelash glue.
Maybe an eyelash glue or a glitter glue? No, an eyelash glue.
Eyelash glue.
Yeah, I would actually take some eyelash adhesive and put it under these, because like this one, this bigger one is just really not sticking, and you do have to open it up really wide to fit your eye shape. Zumi's is actually coming off right here, even though it looks really cool. It also could be the fact that we have makeup on, and so maybe you're supposed to do this more on bare skin. They are really cute, and for 97 cents, I believe it was, I think they're kind of worth it, but you do have to fiddle and use them more. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and this quick way to look festive for the 4th of July. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Hit that little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie, and this is
Zumi.
And we're out. Bye. So I'm actually going to test that theory really quick on this little sticker that I like. I'm going to take just some duo eyelash glue, and I'm going to place it in the back of this, mostly at the edges, so that it will stay down.
Look
It's
at
a
that.
great trick.
Yes.
It actually stayed down 100%. Look
Right.
at that.
I only put it on the edges too, on the zoomies.
So I would actually tell you guys, go get them. It's like such an easy way to be festive, and you don't have to waste like 45 minutes doing your makeup. You guys have a great 4th of July. We are starting early here in Vegas. We do it for the whole weekend. So you guys enjoy yourself. Be safe. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.